Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, I do reviews on menswear products. I'm not associated with any brand or company. Everything I bought with my own money, and I use it a lot, or I plan to use it a lot. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you today. Got a package here from a store called Self Edge. Self Edge is located in California and in New York City. They might have some other locations too as well. But they're really like the flagship store when it comes to heritage wear, menswear. They stock so many great brands, so many cool products, and just have such a cool presence in that space. So love that store. Got a package here from them, and we're gonna pop it open and check out what is inside. All right, let's see what we got here. So this is something I've been eyeing for a while, and this dropped the end of the fall winter season from Iron Heart, and it is a denim jacket. Is a type 2 denim jacket, but what makes this so cool is that inside lining, right? That's awesome. I really love lined stuff, and when it comes to Iron Heart, it's really hard to pass it up. So yeah, that's beautiful. That was one of the draws to this. Like, I'm typically not like a huge fan of the type 2 denim jacket, but with that lining in there, I just could not resist. So really cool, classic look. I'll pop this on. This is cool. I really think this is cool. I like it. It does not have hand warmer pockets, so it's more of kind of like the classic type 2 cut, right? It's not modified or anything with those hand warmer pockets, and it has that like boxy kind of cropped look to it, which is cool. I don't really have a jacket currently like this at all, so really cool. I picked this up. Yeah, I think this fits great. Like, it fits how a type 2 denim jacket should fit. It's kind of cropped, kind of boxy. But yeah, I really think this is cool. I love it. And I love the inside lining. That is awesome. Let's button it up, see how that looks. Yeah, this is just gonna be a great piece to wear in like late fall. I can definitely see that. Really cool fall jacket, like with that lining, really nice fall colors. So there is the jacket buttoned up, and I'll probably definitely wear this unbuttoned most of the time. I don't really probably see a need to button that up. I'll probably just wear like a hoodie on underneath this mostly. And yeah, just a cool jacket to like bum around in the fall. So really excited for that. The denim is, I don't really remember what ounce denim this is, but it is pretty thick. You know, it's not really stiff, but I can definitely tell it has some weight to it, which is really nice. And there's not really I don't really feel like there's going to be a work-in period too much with this, but I still feel like this is going to fade really nice. So I am going to miss those hand warmer pockets, but you know, I'll sacrifice that for just like a really cool looking jacket. Really classic fit, but awesome. Super stoked for this. All right, we got one more thing in this box. So this is from a company called Merge B. Schwarnen. Really great company, and they make like great t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, all kinds of stuff, sort of all in like solid colors. But this is a merino wool beanie. And I actually have 2 of these already. I have an orange and a yellow, but I don't have a black beanie. So, you know, I just felt like I was missing something, because those 2 colors, although they do look really cool, you know, those colors kind of are hard to match with some things. But just like this classic black beanie really didn't have that. And I know I love these hats. These hats fit me great. They're sort of like a watch cap. And I think they just fit me really, really well. So pop it on. It is merino wool, which is really, really high quality. They feel great. I think these hats look great. And yeah, I love the 2 that I have. So I just know I'm going to love this one. And it's black. It'll go with anything. So yeah, really excited about this hat as well. So there you guys have it. Denim type 2 jacket with really, really awesome soft lining on the inside, selvage denim from Iron Heart, and black watch cap beanie from Merge B. Schwarden. So all right, guys, always please drop me any comments. Please like and follow. Happy to chat about anything I talk about here on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.